This video tutorial will demonstrate how to create a MyClasses page within the My Internet facility provided by the Catholic Education Office. So we'll begin by logging in by, in this case, typing in your user ID and password. I've happened to have done this shortly before this tutorial, so it's recognized the fact that I'm the same person, but normally you would get the login screen and type in your username and password. Following that, you get a series of tabs. My school website is where we just came from. So right now we're either interested in My Desktop and MyClasses. My Desktop is automatically created for each person when they become a CEO employee or as part of the teaching staff. In this case, I'm interested in MyClasses, so I'm going to click MyClasses to begin with, and I'm presented with this form with a list of pages that I've either become a member to or can administer. I've got a few here that I've created with the label manage against them, and that means that I'm the administrator of that particular MyClasses page and that I can modify it in various ways. For now, we will just create a new classes page. I happen to have Year 9 for the first time next year, so I'd like to create a classes page for my Year 9 class so we can share information and they can upload documents and I can provide documents for them for download, etc. So to do that, I click on the classes link on the menu bar up the top here, and then on the drop down menu the first item is create a class page, which is what I'm going to select now. Following that, I am presented with a dialog box which indicates it requests information like what to call it, what it's for, and various categories that I'm looking to call it. So I'm going to call it my Year 9 IST page, because that's the acronym for my subject name, and my description is sharing documents and resources between members of Year 9 IST and the teacher. It regards myself as the owner, both owner and creator. They don't have to be the same. If I'm not the creator, I can still be regarded as an owner, which means that I have administrative rights to the page. And therefore I'll get a manage tag next to that page. So right now I'm going to give it a technology category. So I'll scroll down to T, and there it is, and then I'm going to call it middle secondary. So I'm going to scroll down to middle secondary, and the subject will be information and software technology, and the keywords will be technology, digital media. I'll separate those by commas, robotics, and internet. Following that, I'll click next, and then it asks me if I want to import a class banner. In this case, I'll just type in welcome message. So welcome to students of Year 9 Information and Software Technology. I hope this page provides resources and links that will be useful to you. Okay, and then it asks you what elements you would like displayed on the page. I would keep all of them selected. Notice board, journal, calendar, files, images and texts, etc. They're all useful, so I'll keep them all selected, and then I need to select the members that I want to invite to my page. So I'll click on the members link at this point. And we are then presented with a request to select what members we would like to invite to our page. The group that I'm interested in selecting are students in stage 5, and then I will click on display.